good, everyone? Master with After Hours Plumbing Service. Master Plumber for After Hours Plumbing Service. Today we're going to show you how to unclog the line, main sewer line with the jet. Here we are. Run the 4-inch jet, the jet down the 4-inch main sewer line to unclog it. This is what we have. Jet machine set up on the truck. Of course, we have a gas-powered jet, so you want to open up all your doors to vent out the carbon monoxide. Always want to stay away from the truck about 15 feet while your machine is on, because carbon monoxide does kill. And hold your breath for a minute when you turn it off. So, what we have today